Dear students, welcome to my channel, Dr. V.R. Pudile, Professor of Management and Economics. In this video, I am dealing with inventory management, including meaning of inventory, objectives of inventory management, costs of holding inventory, including ordering costs and carrying costs, and decision areas and techniques of inventory management, including ABC system, economic order quantity, EOQ model, reorder point, and safety stock. Inventory management. Meaning of inventory and objectives of inventory management. Inventory refers to the stockpile of the products a firm would sell in future in the normal course of business operations and the components that make up the product. The firm stores three types of inventories, namely raw materials, work in process or semi-finished goods, and finished goods. The objectives of inventory management consists of two counterbalancing parts, namely 1. To minimize investments in inventory, and 2. To meet the demand for products by efficiently organizing the production and sales operations. In operational terms, the goal of inventory management is to have a trade-off between these two conflicting objectives, which can be expressed in terms of costs and benefits associated with different levels of inventory. Costs of holding inventory. The costs of holding inventory are ordering costs and carrying costs. Ordering costs are associated with the acquisition or ordering of inventory. Firms have to place orders with suppliers to replenish inventory of raw materials. The expenses involved are referred to as ordering costs. Examples include costs involved in 1. Preparing a purchase order, and 2. Receiving, inspecting, and recording costs. Ordering cost is also called as setup cost. Carrying costs arise due to the storing of inventory. The cost of holding inventory may be divided into two categories, namely 1. Those that arise due to the storing of inventory, and 2. The opportunity cost of funds. Decision areas and techniques of inventory management. Decision areas and techniques of inventory management can be divided into four types. 1. Classification problem, which can be solved with the ABC system. 2. Order quantity problem, which can be solved by using economic order quantity EOQ model. 3. Order point problem, which can be solved by using reorder point. 4. Stockout problem, which can be solved by using safety stock. ABC system. The ABC system is a widely used classification technique used for purposes of inventory control. This technique is based on the assumption that a firm should not exercise the same degree of control on all items of inventory. According to this system, on the basis of the cost involved, the various inventory items are categorized into three classes, namely 1A, 2B, and 3C. The items included in Group A involve the largest investment. Therefore, inventory control should be the most rigorous and intensive, and the most sophisticated inventory control techniques should be applied to these items. The C group consists of items of inventory which involve relatively small investments, although the number of items is fairly large. These items deserve minimum attention. The B group stands midway. It deserves less attention than A, but more than C. It can be controlled by employing less sophisticated techniques. I had given typical breakdown of inventory items in ABC system. In this table, I have taken group in the first column, number of items percentage in the second column, and inventory value percentage in the third column. A group items will be 15% in terms of number of items and 70% in terms of inventory value. B group items will be 30% in terms of number of items and 20% in terms of inventory value. C group items will be 55% in terms of number of items and 10% in terms of inventory value. Economic order quantity EOQ. The optimum level of inventory is popularly referred to as the economic order quantity, shortly known as EOQ. It is also known as the economic lot size. The economic order quantity may be defined as that level of inventory order that minimizes the total cost associated with inventory management. EOQ refers to the level of inventory at which the total cost of inventory comprising acquisition or ordering or setup costs and carrying cost is minimal. EOQ is defined as square root of 2AB by C, where A, annual usage of inventory in units, B, buying or ordering cost per order, C, carrying cost per unit. Reorder point. The reorder point is stated in terms of the level of inventory at which an order should be placed for replenishing the current stock of inventory. In other words, reorder point may be defined as the level of inventory when fresh orders should be placed with the suppliers for procuring additional inventory equal to the economic order quantity. The reorder point is equal to lead time in days plus average daily usage of inventory. The term lead time refers to the time normally taken in receiving the delivery after placing orders with the suppliers. The average usage means the quantity of inventory consumed daily. Safety stock. Safety stock implies extra inventories that can be drawn down when actual lead time and/or usage rates are greater than expected. Safety stock may be defined as the minimum additional inventory to serve as a safety margin or buffer or cushion to meet an unanticipated increase in usage resulting from an unusually high demand and/or an uncontrollable late receipt of incoming inventory. Dear students, in this video we learned about meaning of inventory, objectives of inventory management, costs of holding inventory, techniques of inventory management. Thank you.